With the iOS 26 update, Apple introduced a new liquid glass design for iPhone, but some users haven't been a big fan of this update. So with iOS 27, you now have the option to adjust the transparency of liquid glass elements. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to adjust the opacity of liquid glass on iPhone. Now let's get started. To begin, you'll first need to update your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To adjust liquid glass opacity on iPhone, open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Appearance. Then tap Liquid Glass. Now you can use the slider to adjust how transparent or opaque you'd like liquid glass elements to be. Move the slider to the left for a more clear look, or to the right to add more opacity. You can scroll in the preview window to get an idea of how liquid glass menus will look with the setting you've chosen. Once you're happy with it, tap the arrow in the top left corner to save your setting and go back to the Appearance menu. If you want things even less transparent, scroll down and select More in Accessibility Settings. Then enable Reduce Transparency. This will add more contrast to your iPhone and make liquid glass elements even more opaque and easier to see. That's all it takes to adjust liquid glass opacity in iOS 27. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.